In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to register in Discord. This is going to be a very quick tutorial. Let's go ahead and go to our tutorial. So the first thing that you want to know here for Discord, so when you actually register and you've entered the incorrect year, or yeah, incorrect year, incorrect birthday on your registration, the following information will appear on your registration, which is unable to register. You must be at least 13 years old to use Discord. So once this setting or notification appears on your screen, there's no going back. It would loop around this unable to register setting or notification on your screen. So when I go to and click the back to login, this will redirect me again to the main menu for login and registration. But when I click on the register link, that would redirect me again to the unable to register. So how do you actually fix this? So currently I'm using Google Chrome. So to do this, go to the top right corner of your screen. That's where the three dotted icon, that's the customize and control Google Chrome. From here, you want to go to settings, and in settings, you want to go to privacy and security. From here, you want to click on the clear browsing history. And here, you just have to make sure that the time range is actually set to last hour. Because if this is set to like for example all time or last 4 weeks, that would actually delete all of your data in the last 4 weeks or all of your data here installed or stored in Google Chrome. So we just want to choose the last hour, and from here you just click on the clear data, and that should clear your data for Google Chrome. So when we actually reload the Discord register uh, link here, this would actually reset our view. So we are now actually able to create our account or register our account in Discord. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.